Hi, my name is Ian Nimmo and I'm a product consultant at 475 High Performance Building Supply. 475 is a proud partner of the Northwest Eco Building Guild, having supported them as a sponsor and member since 2016. We are aligned with the Guild's goals of harnessing education to empower people to transform the built environment for long-term sustainability. 475 started with a mission to help building professionals find the materials they need, along with the knowledge necessary to create buildings that address the threat of climate change and to build like the future depends on it. The pathway to comfortable, healthy homes and workplaces is created with airtight, vapor-smart materials, safe and natural insulation, heat recovery ventilation, high-performance daylighting systems, good planning, and to design by taking advantage of Mother Nature's benefits. At 475, I'm based in Oregon, and I serve California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Nevada, and Arizona. I'm a certified BPI building analyst, a certified ResNet HERS rater, and a certified Passive House tradesperson. I can help you design airtightness details to meet Passive House levels of performance, support you with high-performance design decisions, heat recovery ventilation design, hygrothermal, moisture analysis, product support, pricing, and more. Don't hesitate to reach out. I welcome the opportunity to work with you on your project goals. And lastly, make sure to check in with 475's website, as we have much more than just great products. We have free ebook and DWG downloads of many high-performance assembly types that can save you time and effort. We hope you find a lot of great information on our website, and if you have additional questions, get in touch and we'll help you find the answers you're looking for. Thank you for your time and keep up the good work.